Now I want to tell you what is the circular system of measurement of angles. In the circular system, the name of unit is known as radians. When we measure the angle in the radians, we say the name of the system is circular. In the circular system, if I explain you what is 1 radian, as I told you in the sexagesimal system, that 1 degree is the angle which is 1/90th part of 1 right angle. In the second centesimal system, I explained you that 1 grade is the 100th part of 1 right angle. That's why a relation was established that 90 degree is equals to 100 grades. The third system of measurement is the circular system, where name of the unit is radians. So first question raised, what is 1 radian? What is a radian? If we have a circle of any radius, many times you may find in the books that circle of unit radius. It is not mandatory to take the circle of unit radius. For a circle, we need two specific things, center and radius. So if a circle with center O and the radius R, if we have a thread whose length is equal to OA's length, that is equal to the length of radius of the circle. If that thread is taken and pasted on the circumference on this circular path, let us suppose this ends at a point B. That's why in other words, I want to explain you that if we have the length of arc is same as the length of radius, and this end point when joined to the center of the circle, then whatever angle is made at the center of the circle is known as 1 radian. So very brief definition of 1 radian is that if length of arc of any circle is equal to its radius, then the angle subtended by such arc at the center of circle is known as 1 radian. Now, what is the method for applying this in our various results? So, as and when we talk about the length of arc, so the length of arc, that is symbolically we represent it by small l, is equals to r into theta, where theta is the angle. But one thing is always very necessary to understand, as and when you are applying using the relation length of r is equals to radius into the central angle theta, theta must be in which unit? It should not be in degrees, it should not be in the grades, it must be in the radians. So we have 3 type of systems of measurement of angles. One of the system is the sexagesimal, where we measure the angle in the degrees and 1 right angle is equals to 90 degree. Second measurement system is known as the centesimal, where 1 right angle is equals to 100 grades. And very useful and popular and required system of measurement is the circular system, where we measure the angles in radians, and 1 radian is the angle made at the center of any circle if length of arc is equal to radius length. And if we are applying the formula L is equals to R into theta, then L and R must be either both in centimeter, millimeter, decimeter, whatever, but theta must be in radians. We put it by C. If you want to establish the relation of R, it is L upon theta, or you want to obtain theta, it is equals to L upon R. These 3 relations very useful, very important to solve the problems. I will explain you how to apply these results while we will solve some problems related to the measurement of angles.